What I love about these films is that they take you to places that most of us never visit. Places like the wilds of Alaska, or rock climbing up a 400-foot cliff in Utah, or running with wild horses in Canyon de Chelly. This film is a celebration of the outdoor world of nature and wilderness, and of the overwhelming evidence that shows how much we benefit from spending time in nature. Over 20,000 years ago, not a single human being had ever seen this pristine continent. I've worked with MacGillivray Freeman films before, and I have incredible admiration for the experiences they create for audiences. They take these enormous IMAX cameras into remote places to create these visually powerful experiences that makes you fall in love with the world all over again. When you spend time in nature, whether it's in a wilderness or in a city park, you slow down for a bit, you reflect, you recharge. IMAX has the power to put you in these places and make you feel like you're actually there. And I'm excited to get to be a part of it. MacGillivray Freeman's Into Nature's Wild, a film for IMAX and giant screen theaters.